Okay, guys, I'm just before 4 p.m. just getting set up on for my live stream using OBS, and this is Jason, and I just want to say Happy New Year to everyone. And this is Jason Gerald with Don't Let Technology Hold You Back, or multiple streams of income. Okay, so today I'm going to go over how to install WordPress and show you how it's done with an account I've got set up already. The account is already set up. I actually purchased the domain a couple days ago, and now I just want to get WordPress installed and set up. Now this is just a temporary site. It's not gonna, so you're gonna see user ID and password here, but no big deal. So what I want to be able to do is go into my hosting service. So at SkyView. So what you do is you log in to SkyView right here, and I've got my setup here and my password, because I don't remember my password. So I'm going to log in right here to my account. Okay, so now my account, I'm logged into my account. And so what I'm going to do, so before I get into this, if you have any questions, since this is a live view, you can actually come here and go ahead and chat in the box here and let me know the live chat what your questions are. If you have any questions on WordPress or what we're doing and how to install WordPress, or if you got any challenges with WordPress, I'm here to help you. I'm the owner of SkyViewHost.com, and let me go ahead and go into SkyView Host and show you what it is. SkyView Host is a hosting service only for WordPress, and what we do is we support WordPress. We've got the fastest speed. It's 20x faster than most, well, actually most websites out there, because we optimize our WordPress to speed using Cloudflare, Railgun, and having the fastest hard drives that are available and servers available for you guys, so that you have the very fast, secure website online. And that's SkyViewHost.com. And if you go out here and look at SkyView Host, we do have an affiliate program that if you refer somebody and you sign up as affiliate, you can earn 25% commission for life of that customer that is on SkyViewHost.com. So if they have a website and they're up for 2 or 3 years, you're going to get a residual income coming in to you for 2 or 3 years. So you can look at our commission plan down here, your affiliate commission plan, of how much money you would make if you sign somebody up. But anyway, if you need a website and you need hosting, and you already have hosting like with HostGator or some other company out there, well, then you can come over to SkyView Host and bring your stuff over to SkyView Host. So that's what you can do with SkyViewHosting.com. All right, so let's go back to what we're trying to talk about here today. I've logged into my SkyView host, and I'm going to go into my web hosting account, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install WordPress on your domain. So I have a domain here called Challenge of Your Lifetime, and I'm going to manage host right here. And when I'm going into my manage host, I want to go into my cPanel. When you log into your cPanel, this allows you to have control of your hosting and your backend, so you can do some changes. So you can actually look at all the files, you can look at your images that you have on your system, you can set up email, all of that. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down to Softaculous. I can't even say the word right. But what it is, it allows you to install WordPress instead of having to go into WordPress and installing it. Now if I click on it right here, it brings up the Softaculous website, and you type in, right now it goes directly to WordPress, but if you type in WordPress here, you can actually go directly to WordPress right here, and it actually pulls it up. There's a lot of different programs that you have out here to install. So the current version right now is 4.9.1. There may be a newer version out there, but that's okay. Once you install this on your domain, you can actually just upgrade automatically through WordPress when you install it. So I'm going to show you how easy this is, but I've already done one installation, and you see here, I see there's already an installation or one set up. So what I'm going to do is, I have not done anything to this site, But if you hit the X right here and remove this, it would remove all of your program, all of your pages and posts and everything, your images, everything would be gone. So you have to be very careful here that you don't remove your site if you have a live site up and running, if you hit X right here. So what I want to do is get rid of this, install a brand new one. So this is how easy to remove it. And it's going to ask you to remove the installation. And I'm just going to say OK. And boom, it is gone. That's how easy it is. Scroll up. Oh, my system's taking a little time to process. But that's how easy it is to remove WordPress off of your domain. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to install it after we're done removing it. For some reason, my machine is sitting here not responding. Okay, let's just, while that's working, let's see if it's totally hosed my browser. That's the challenges of the internet and doing live streams at the same time. I actually don't know if I'm actually recording. Pretty sure it is, but let's just give it a second to process here. Okay, it's still processing. There's something else that's causing this. There we go. Okay, so it's all completed now. So if I go back up here and type in WordPress and go back into WordPress, now this will automatically install on the domain that I've purchased already. And then I just want to hit the install. And then where I want to install it was with my drive right here. Now if I hit HTTPS, well that means SSL, which is your security on it, it will give you a little error. Now it'll say it's not a trusted SSL. I already have SSL installed. I already know it is. But if you did not have SSL installed, it would actually cause a little bit of a problem logging in. But I know it's already installed. But in this case, I'm just going to do it just without the SSL security on it. And now you look here, this is domain. And if you want to pick your domain and only have one domain that I have on this account, and I don't want it in a subdirectory called WP. So and now if you scroll down a little bit further, you can actually pick your site. I'm just going to call it Jason Geerld, my name. And you can say, don't let technology hold you back. Okay, and that would just, you just put any kind of subtitle in that you want. I don't put this in here, just leave that unchecked. And then you're going to want to make the admin, the user admin, different. So I'm going to put JG Geerld. So people won't know that it's admin when you try to log in. And that's another security measure. It's a little tip for you. You do not want to leave admin there because that really makes it easy for people to log in and hack your site. So you want to just put a different name in there. And then you're going to create a password. And I'm going to use a different password here, just like something like that, something a little simpler to do. Now you want to have your admin email, and I highly suggest to have your admin email, the email that you're going to use to get the email back from you. So I'm going to see, it tells me I already removed it. So I'm going to go ahead and use my test account that I've set up. And you can install it in English or any other language that you have, and that's pretty easy. Now you can limit logins and have it limited, and if you do check that, that's okay. That means if you try to log into your account more than 3 times, it will lock you out for a period of time. This is actually good to have. I'm going to leave it off for this. There is an advanced area in here. This is your database and your prefix table name. So you can change these to say, so you know what this is instead of saying WordPress. So if you have like 4 or 5 different domains out there that you're using WordPress on, you can get kind of confused of which ones goes to which domain. So you can actually mark this and say, hey, I know this is Jason Geerld, and I'll put this as JG2. And that way there, that we know that's your database name and your table name. This is where all your posts and your images and everything gets stored on the database. You can leave all of this blank. I would not, enable any of this and leave it the way it is. And I same with the backups and everything. I'll just leave it the way it is right now. Okay, at this point, you can select a theme that you want WordPress to be installed on, and you can scroll through here and look at all the themes. I'm not going to select one right now. Now, if you did select one, you didn't like it, you can just hit clear, and it will deselect it. And you can do that later once you install WordPress and decide which theme you want. But it is also very easy to uninstall a theme and then reinstall it. So let's just do this one right here, and then we'll just install that. Now I want to send this to my email, so I have the user ID and password and the link to log in. And now let me tell you how long it takes to install. It only takes a couple minutes. Now if you don't see this right away, you've done something wrong. And you see it's almost done. It's just gonna finish up. Boom, it's done. That's less than 2 minutes to actually go through this and install WordPress. That's how easy it is. Now you can click on this link right here, and it will go directly to your domain and log in. Now this is already in my back office, and I'm already in my domain and in WordPress right now. Now if I want to view it, and since I installed the theme, it's going to have some kind of a theme base already to it. And if I scroll over here, I'll show you what I'm looking at. So I went to the actual challengeofyourlifetime.com, and once it loads, you'll see the different theme that's been installed. Okay, when it's done, I'm going to go back through here and look at this. So since I'm doing a live stream, it takes a lot of resources. That's probably the challenge it's having right now, is going to the site because of resources. So if you look here, you can look at the theme that is installed, and you can see that there's an update for that theme, and this is the theme that's installed on the system right now. And so I can update that theme. Maybe that's the issue here, is it needs to update the theme. So we'll go ahead and update the theme, and maybe that's why it's not loading here. Okay, I'm going to stop that and go back out of SkyView, and it's updated. Okay, so now I have the updated theme. You can customize the theme. There's a lot you can do within here. Let's just see if anybody has any questions. It looks like I don't have anybody on right now, and that's okay, because this is my second live I guess live stream that I'm doing on YouTube right now. So that's this. Let me just see if I can visit my site again. Right click, and boom, there it is. So that's looking a little bit better. Now there's no content in it, there's nothing there, but you can see how easy that was to set that theme up and set this up, and they've loaded that plugin automatically in that image in the background, and that's a theme that's already set up. Looks like it's already responsive, and it's pretty cool. And it's already on my system. So we got majority, 90% of the hard work done, when it only took us like 2 minutes to install the theme and get things set up. Now, there are other updates that are available for this. Now, if I click here, Amethyst, I actually go through. I don't even install that. I go through here, and I'll just delete these because they're not even plugins that I use. You can use this if you need to. It's anti-spam, but personally, I'm not going to do it right now. I'm deleting this one down here right now, and once that's done, I will delete the other one. Oh, lovely. It's also now saying not responding. Hopefully my live stream is not having an issue too, and that we're actually live and it's not causing any problems with the live stream. So let's just click over here. Looks like we're okay. I'm using OBS to do live stream, and I'll just wait until that's done, because it kind of hoses me until I get this thing done processing. Okay, let's well, I should have 2 windows open. Okay, there it is. It's done. It seems to be very, very slow. Okay, so now it's deleting this other one right now at the same time, and it says it's deleting. So I'll just have to wait for that to get done, and once that's complete, I will be able to show you some other things. All right, let's just see. Oh, my system is locked up. That's not good. Okay, I still have my processor, or my, yep, looks like it's just the Chrome is not responding right now, which is, I just got a brand new machine, which is a GeForce GTX i7 Lenovo machine. It's called the Yoga. I think it's called Yoga, and it's a pretty cool machine. I'm surprised we're having these type of issues with it right now. There may be something else that I haven't been running in the background. Okay, here we go. We're back. All right, so nobody's on the live chat, so let's go back and talk a little bit more about WordPress. So at this point, you've completely installed WordPress. You've installed the theme, and let's just say I want to install a different theme because I don't like that theme, and I want to install, I don't know, let's just do the 2017 theme, and you just click on this live link right here. Oh, that's a preview. I'm sorry. I clicked on preview. And then you can see what that looks like on your site, just doing a preview. And it's going into customizations, and you can customize this particular thing. And you see that's what I put in as Jason Geerld, and don't let technology hold you back. And then I can hit the X, and it will go back to this. But it still has this as an active theme. But if I want to make that active, all I got to do is click on this. And now, if you look at the site, it looks like this. It's going to look completely different because I'm going to have a different theme on the site. That's what this theme looks like. Now, what it does is in your media, you're going to see different images now, or actually it's not, there is none, because that's what they've got on their site. Okay, so they didn't load the images, which is cool. That way there that your library doesn't get filled up with images. All right, at this point, that's what I wanted to do, is go through installing WordPress and showing you the different functions of WordPress and the theme at this point. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the live chat unless somebody has any questions, which I don't have any questions yet. And I will edit this and put this live on YouTube. Okay, guys. Hey, before I go, just want to talk a little bit about don't let technology hold you back. If you have any questions on WordPress, I'm a WordPress expert. I'm going to continue to go through and install WordPress on my site. I'm going to get it set up, and I'm going to start using some different themes in here. I'm going to set it up and show you how to go through a complete install and setup of WordPress. Now, my WordPress site is right here. It's called JasonGeerld.club. It's not .com, .club. My other site is JasonGeerld.com, which is my e-commerce site. It is actually a leather bag business that I'm doing that has WooCommerce set up on it to actually take orders. And actually, I could show that to you right here. Let me just go into here. Oh, and this is your, just to let you know, after you've done it, say I removed WordPress and then I installed it again, it gives you your links and your information. It just doesn't give you your password again, but it gives you all the information you need. So if you ever lost it, you can actually go back to your email and click on the admin area and go directly into it. Or you can just go to your site and then go into admin right here, and it will go directly into your site. Now, if I was logged off, it would ask me to log in with my user ID and password. Okay, so I'm in Don't Let Technology Hold You Back, multiple streams of income. Here are my posts. If you want to go watch my previous live streams, you can go watch them right here. You click on them and it will go directly into live stream. I will be going over the wealth generators, which talks about how to create wealth online and how to get out of debt and how you can start making money through the wealth generator. I also have a private Facebook group, an inner circle for Bitcoin, and over time I'm going to be talking about Bitcoin. I'm going to refresh the screen because I think I have a better view of this. Yep, I did. And if right here is BitClub Network, and I'm going to actually have, stop that, I'm going to have an actual BitClub private group also. Actually, this is my private BitClub group, cryptocurrency, which is right now I'm going. But I'm going to also have a WordPress private group too. So if anybody has questions, and I can actually help them get them answers, go ahead and sign up for my email list, because I'm going to be able to send you all kinds of information. Whenever I do a live, like I am right now, I'll be able to get you on and be able to get this information to you when you sign up for a live with my email list. If you're in Raleigh, North Carolina, you could be in Cary, Raleigh, Chapel Hill, or anywhere within the Raleigh area. I'm doing a meetup group on, let me just open that up, on this Wednesday. And then every Wednesday from 7 to 9 is my meetup group. And don't let technology hold you back. You see, that's me again. And you can see my picture right there. And come and join us. We're going to sit down live. We're going to talk about how to create multiple streams of income with your WordPress site. And you can do it if you're not in Raleigh. That's okay. You can join the live reviews, the live streamings that I've got going on, or you can ask me a question on my website. If you go back over to here and you click on this little blue icon here, this goes directly to my Facebook page, where you can ask me a question and I will be able to help you get your website up and running as fast as you can. And you can be building your site something similar to this, where I have, every week I do a weekly quote, like learn from yesterday, live for today, and hope for tomorrow, Albert Einstein. And then these are all my quotes. Every week I will have a new quote, and you'll be able to see all of the different quotes that I have out there right here. So pretty cool. And if you have any questions or any products that you need for building your website, like SkyView host right here, if you click on that, actually, if you Facebook me, I'll actually give you 1 month free just for signing up, and just let me know. If you Facebook me right here, let me know if you're looking for hosting. I will be able to give you some really good deals. And then plus you can get residual income from hosting. This is a brand new WordPress theme called eStage, and that's what I'm using for here. It's a very powerful package, and if you want more information on that, I can give that to you. And then I also have Click Magic here, which cloaks your domain for like this domain right here. And if you want to put it on the internet, it gets all kinds of stats and tracking that talked about how many people looked at your site, how many people are tracking to that link that's out there. And then Get Response. Whenever you sign up for my email list, I also have Get Response, and Get Response actually is the ones that's using my email follow-up. Udemy is for solo ads, and if you need to drive traffic to your site, you can pay to have people drive traffic to your site, and that's what Udemy is. ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is an excellent program. I'm actually going to tell you how you can use your website that is just like ClickFunnels, that you can build a squeeze page, and I'm going to go through that eventually. Not today, but I'm going to show you how you can use ClickFunnels, or actually not ClickFunnels, but how to use your own website to create squeeze pages. And then if you want to learn about SEO, this is an SEO mastery course. It is a very good, because you got to know, when you have a WordPress website, you got to know SEO, search engine optimization. And that allows you to make your website faster, Google friendly, that Google loves, and so that you can build your website to be very friendly, and for people, and Google will love you and give you more rankings and free traffic. And that's why you learn SEO. And then Instant Master Traffic, this is our Instagram, and you want to learn how to use Instagram. This is also another online course that is very, very good. I highly recommend both of those courses. And over time, I'm going to have more and more courses that you're going to be able to learn more about and click on, and get more technical information about those specific areas. Okay, so that's some of the products that I have. And if I'll be adding more news articles around Amazon, marketing news, Shopify news, technology news, and then tools that we may have that you may need eventually. And so I got more updates to do from that perspective. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Let's see if anybody has any questions. There's actually nobody on right now, so I'm actually the only one on the live stream. Ooh, and we're not live. Okay, So let's just see if this worked.